Hi, I'm Rachel from Love Spool. We're passionate about reviving a traditional craft and inspiring a new generation of knitters to unleash their creativity and have fun while they do it. At Love Spool, we have everything you need to make your own beautiful knitwear piece made of super soft, luxury merino wool. We provide step-by-step instructions to make it as easy as possible for you to follow, so it's perfect for beginners. Knitwear patterns can be quite hard to follow. They can be boring, a little bit scary, and like reading code. We've decoded them to make them as easy as possible for you to follow. At uni, I studied fashion design, and then I fell into the world of fast fashion retail. I became aware of the supply chain and realised I didn't want to be a part of it anymore, so I quit. I knew I wanted to create and design, but I didn't want to be part of the problem. I was looking for a creative outlet where I could combine my love for fashion, colour, textile and design, and something that wouldn't cost the earth, literally. And I discovered knitting was the answer. Not only is knitting a creative outlet, but it's also really good for your mental health. It's fulfilling. Nothing beats that natural dopamine hit that you get when you make something with your own hands. It helps promote mindfulness, it's calming and relaxing, and because of its repetitive, rhythmic movements, it can help manage stress and anxiety. So it's basically the new yoga. Also with knitting, you have a skill that you have for life, which has the ability to connect people across multiple generations, which I think is pretty powerful stuff. When it came to the yarn, I was looking for something soft, comfortable, but also luxurious, and I found merino wool was the answer. Not only does it have these luxurious properties, but it's also very sustainable. Merino wool is 100% biodegradable, so you can put it into your compost bin or your worm farm and it will release nutrients back into the soil. Although I'm sure your handmade goodies will be treasured for generations. It also doesn't need to be washed all the time as it has natural odor fighting abilities. Therefore you're saving water. And one of the most important things for me is that it doesn't have any microfibers, so it won't contribute to the 1.7 million tons of microfibers that are released into our oceans and waterways each year. So now I'm going to show you some of the basics to get you up and running.